Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate in pure Ogoni Kana language, to be specific. Note, this video is not in any way sponsored by Indomie noodles. This video is not in any way sponsored by Indomie noodle. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate money in Ogoni Kana language. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do wait to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's go to the board for the business of today. So here we have, let's start with, for instance, we have 100 naira. We have here 200 naira. Here 300 naira, 400 naira and 500 naira. So from here now, let's go to 1000 naira, and here we have 2000. Here we have 2000 naira. 2000 naira. So here 100 naira is equal to zin because 1 here is zin. So 100 is called zin bele. So this is the spelling of zin be boogie. Here we have by bele boogie. Here we have ta bele boogie. Ta bele boogie. Here we have nia bele boogie. Here we have oo, which is 500. Oo bele boogie. Here we have, here is called zin bo zin bo boogie. Here we have 2000, which is by boogie. Ba bo boogie. So for instance, someone asks you what is 100 naira in Kana language, it's called zinbere boogie. If they ask you what is 200 naira in Ogoni Kana language, it's called babere boogie. Some people can call it babere naira, babere naira or zinbere naira, but the pure Kana, the deep Kana, is called bere boogie. Not naira. You remove the naira, it's called bele boogie. So some people can call it zinbere naira. It's good. You are going to go with that as well. But the real Kana language is called zinbere boogie, which is 100 naira. Here we have 200, which is babere boogie. They can also call it babere naira, but this is the right one, babere boogie. Then you will have here next on the board 300, which is called tabere boogie. Then here you have 400, which is nia bere boogie. If you were following the class from the previous video, you see that all these things are like, this is zin, which I've taught you. This is by, This is tania. This is zimbo. So this is zimbo. 1 is called zin. Then 1,000 is called bopu. Then here is 2,000. 2 is by. Then 1,000 here, because it's 2,000, is called by bopu. Here is the bopu. So let's do some simple calculation. Some simple calculation in pure Ghana language on how to calculate money in case you go to the market and get some stuff for yourself. So for instance, you give someone 1,000. This is 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira, and you get a goods of maybe 300 minus 3 minus 300. Your exchange here will be 700, right? Your exchange will be 700 naira. If you find this video interesting, do well to like, share, and subscribe. The answer you have here is called Eleba Berekbugi, which is 700 naira. Your exchange here will be Eleba. This is Eleba Berekbugi. Your exchange here will be Eleba. Your exchange here. Your exchange will be Eleba Bugi. That is equal to 700 naira. Equal to 700 naira. So if you do another trade and you have, let's say here, you go to the market to get something, your calculation should be maybe you went to the market with 2,000 naira, and you get your first item, let's say minus, maybe you get something of 300. You get another stuff of 300. You get maybe pepper of 200. That is 500. Then you get another stuff of maybe 1,000, and you get, on your way home, you get something of 300 as well. This is still minus 300. So when you calculate all this, you see this 2,000 minus 300, this will be 17. 17 minus 2 will be 15 minus 1,000. Your change here will be 15 minus 1,000. Your change will be 500, right? Minus 300. So your balance here will be 200. Your balance will be, your balance here will be 200 naira. That will be your balance. So let me explain this in pure Ghana Ogoni language. This is Babo Pugi Ole Tabre Naira Lo Oyana Pugi Ebia Zimbo Pugi Le Ereba Berenaira Lo Obia Le Ba Berenaira Lo Ebia Zimbo Pugi Le O Berenaira Lo Zimbo Pugi Le O Berenaira Ole Zimbo Pugi Lo Nua biaba na bere naira. Nua biaba na bere naira. Bere naira. Bere naira ole ta bere naira lo. Ole ta bere naira lo. Nua biaba na ba bere naira, which is this 200 ba bere naira. Ba bere naira. Nua biaba na ba bere naira, which is 200. Thank you very much.